Hello you guys, welcome back. So today is going to be a little hair update video. If you guys saw my first video when I dyed my hair pink, I used the Color Crave Flamingo, I believe it was, semi-permanent hair dye. I'll link that up above if you guys want to check that out. But some of you guys were wondering how it was fading and what it was looking like. So this is actually, I have to look up the timeline. I'll tell you guys exactly when I colored it the first time. I did end up coloring it again. So I had an extra little tube, so I just redid it. So the first time I just did like the blonde to the ends, but then the second time I did all over. So I did the top and everything. And right away it was like really vibrant, really pretty. But now it has been probably 2 weeks since I colored it the second time, and it's definitely faded. It's still pretty pink. In some pictures and some lighting, it looks red. And then like it's definitely not fading back to blonde at all. So for those of you wondering, like, you know, if you had blonde hair and if you used it, it's gonna be really hard to get it out, I have a feeling. So, but I really was liking the pink. I was either gonna buy a permanent color or no, then that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna go to Sally's, I was gonna get a permanent pink color, but then I started seeing about these color depositing shampoos. And I was like, you know what? That sounds amazing. So I went to Sally's and I picked this up. It's called Enrage Infinite Pink Color Depositing Shampoo and Conditioner 3-in-1 System. So it's cleanse, conditions, refreshes, adds color, stops color fading, nourishes, strengthens bonds, adds shine, softens, and controls. So it's just kind of supposed to be a shampoo and conditioner that brings your color back to life. Oh my gosh, that is like really pink. And it smells like bubble gum. But we are going to give this a try because my hair is super dirty right now. And the directions are just to wear gloves because it can stain, work a generous amount into the hair from scalp to ends, making sure the product thoroughly saturates the hair. Is it supposed to be wet? So it doesn't say. So maybe I'll put it on before I get in the shower and then just rinse it out. I don't know. I was under the impression that you got in the shower, got your hair wet, and then put it in, and then washed it out, but maybe not. Let me see. All right, so maybe what I'll do is just kind of spray my hair a little bit, get it a little bit damp, and then put it in, and then let it process for like 10 minutes, and rinse it out, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. But I think this will be a nice little thing to use, like, rather than coloring my hair all the time. And I definitely don't want to keep using those semi-permanent hair colors because they just don't last. It's just not worth the money. So this was 14 bucks, so it is kind of up there, but maybe if I can just use this like once a week to keep the color, you know, looking fresh and vibrant, then this will totally be worth it. So, all right, I'll be back in a little bit and show you guys what it looks like. All right, hey guys. So it is actually the next day. I washed the hair, or I washed the shampoo out last night, and then I got ready and we actually went to our neighbor's house for a party, and I didn't feel like filming last night. But man, this stuff worked. So I'm not sure, like I feel like on camera it comes across more of like red, like a red color, but it looks really, like it's pretty darn magenta. Let me show you guys the back. So yeah, I really like that stuff. I wish I would have known about that stuff sooner. And I will say, so when I went to rinse it out, I thought for sure that it was gonna like, usually when you do hair color like this, like red or really any hair color, it's all over the shower floor. And so I was expecting it to do that, and it didn't at all. Oh my gosh, this stuff seriously works. All right, so I definitely plan on using this stuff maybe like once a week just to keep up the color. I'm really a fan of it. I can't believe it works as well as it does. I did read a lot of reviews because I do a lot of research before I buy something, and I was reading a ton of the reviews. Let me just show you guys I just want to tell you guys what colors they have. So mine is the Infinite Pink. They have Intense Red, Indigo Blue, Intriguing Purple, and Enchanted Silver. So I read not very good reviews on the silver. So if you have like that dyed, like silvery, like really super like light hair, I would not recommend it. A lot of the reviews were saying that it like ruined the hair color, it won't come out. And I will say like the blue, I don't think I saw any good reviews about the blue. They said it kind of turned it green. But the red, the pink, I don't think I read anything bad about the purple, but I don't know. I've just been trying to like steering clear of any blue colors like teal, or I've kind of even been staying away from purple because that color kind of makes me nervous too. But read the reviews before. I don't know what color hair you guys have, but I would read the reviews before. And the pink, I'm definitely a fan. So if you guys didn't watch my first video, my hair was like highlighted. It was like a balayage highlight. But it was pretty brassy because my hair was really dark before, so they were super brassy. But I think that's why the pink picked up so well. It picked up on those highlighted parts. So it is definitely gonna work better on like bleached hair, you know, like color that is lighter, because as you can see, I used it everywhere, but like the spots that were darker to begin with didn't really do much, but it definitely does pick up on those highlighted like blonde pieces. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.